Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Binder East. Today's topic is C Programming Language, chapter number 4, Functions, part 1. The learning course outcomes are function, need of function, defining function, declaring function, calling function, advantages of functions and types of library function. Function. Function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Function is a group of statements that together perform a task. So in every C program has at least one function which is main function, and all the most trivial programs has defined additional functions. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function's name, return type, and parameters. A function definition provides the actual body of the function. The definition of the function is: a function is a group of statements that together perform a task, and every C program has at least one function which is a main function. Defining function. The defining function syntax is return type, function name, in parenthesis, argument list, curly braces open, set of statements, that is a block of code, curly braces close. This is the syntax of the function. Return type. Return type can be of any data type such as int, double, char, void, short, etc. So don't worry, you will understand these terms better once you go through the examples below that will be explained in a practical session. The function name, it can be anything. However, it is advised to have a meaningful name for the function so that it will be easy to understand and purpose of the function just by seeing its name. Argument list. Argument list contains a variable names along with their data types. These arguments are kind of inputs for the function. For example, a function which is used to add two integer variables will be having two integer arguments. Block of code. A set of C statements which will be executed whenever a call will be made to a function. Declaring function. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function name and how to call the function. The actual body of the function can be defined separately. A function declaration has the following parts. That is, syntax is return type, function name, in parenthesis its parameter list. For example, int, it's a return type, max is the function name, and parameter list are integer num1 and integer num2. That's the variable name of integer data type. Function declaration is required when you define a function in one source file and you call the functions in another file. Function declaration is of you call the function in another function and you define a function outside of that calling function. So in such case, you should declare a function at the top of the file calling the function. That means you have to first declare the function, then you can call the function in another function. Calling function. While creating a C function, you give a definition of what the function has to do. To use a function, you will have to call that function to perform a defined task. When a program calls a function, the program control is transferred to the called function. When a program calls a function, the program control is transferred to the called function. A called function performs a defined task, and when its return statement is executed or when its function ending closing braces is reached, it returns the program control back to the main program. To call a function, you simply need to pass the required parameters along with the function name, and if the function returns a value, then you can store the return value. So the control of the program is transferred to the user defined function by calling it. The control is transferred to the user defined function when you call it. The syntax of function call is function name in bracket argument list. Why we need function? The function need, the reasons are to improve the readability of code, to improve the reusability of the code. Same functions can be used any program rather than writing the same code for scratch. Debugging of the code will be easier if you use function as error are easy to trace. Reduces the size of the code. Duplicate sets of statements are replaced by the function call. Advantages of function. There are many advantages, like by using function we can avoid rewriting of same logic or code again and again in program. By calling a C functions any number of times in a program from any place in a program. So we can track a large C program easily when it is divided into multiple functions. Reusability of the main achievements of program C functions. So function call is always overhead in C program. Types of function. There are two main types of function. First is library function and second is user defined function. Library function. Library functions are the functions which are declared in a C header files such as scanf, printf, get, puts, ceil and floor. User defined functions are the functions which are created by the C programmer. That means the function which are created by the user or the programmer so that he can or she can use it many times. It reduces the complexity of a big program and optimizes the code. Here are the list of the header files, that is stdio.h, and these are the main header files of the functions. This is the standard input and output header file in which input and output functions are declared. In stdio.h, that is standard input output header file. Con.io, that is a console input output header file. String.h is a string header file that the all strings related functions are present over there, stored over there. stdlib.h, it's a standard library header file. It contains a general function which are used in a C program. math.h, math.h, the all mathematical related functions are defined in this header file. Time.h, in this header file it contains a time and clock related function. ctime.h, all the character handling functions are defined in this header file. stdrag.h, the standard argument header file. It's a variable argument functions are declared in this header file. Signal.h, the signal handling functions are declared in this file. setjmp, set jump, it contains all jump functions. Local.h, the file contains local functions of C program. error.h, the error handling functions are given in this file. And assert, assert, it contains the diagnostics of the function. Thank you.